So growing up, these plants and I didn't go together. I think maybe because the varieties that we had in the garden where I was growing up weren't really that exciting. They were just green, they were full of thorns, and they seemed to hurt me most of the time and were very boring. However, I guess as we all grow up and our mind expands and we get to see the beauty of what these beautiful plants, Bromeliads, can offer, well, I fell in love. And the collection has got bigger and bigger and bigger, and it's like succulents. Man, it just goes pear-shaped. But anyway, I have been delving into the little miniatures. They come in so many different colors. We've got some wonderful breeders right here in South Africa that are creating their very own special varieties. They work beautifully on trees, just with a bit of shade. Try and avoid the hot afternoon sun because that's when they start bleaching and getting a bit burnt. But wherever you've got a bit of trees, where you're living in a frost-free area, then Bromeliads can certainly add color, height, and a bit of dimension into something that would have been quite boring. And remember, if you've got no more space left on the ground, then we go up the trees to garden.